Good day. Welcome back to OBS Metal Dash. And what you see in front of you is a 88 to 94 all steel 18 gauge dash. You can do this yourself with just a little bit of work. Well, okay, maybe a lot of bit of work, but it's kind of complicated. But like I said in the previous videos, if you can put a quarter panel on a car and do it the right way and make it look right, perfect, then you can do this dash. Here's the kit. This is a whole complete kit to do everything, to do that dash. This is everything that you need to do that dash that I just showed you. All you have to do is watch the videos. You won't need any crazy, you don't need a 10-foot brake. And you won't need a 52-inch stomp shear. All that stuff is already done. It's already cut out. Everything's there. Let's go over it. So first you'll get the main body, and it's cut out. Everything's cut out. It's fully cut out, everything you need. And up here on the inside, this little brace goes there, and there's 4 little brackets go on that, and that's going to be the starting point. That's where you'll bolt it on to your truck. You can use your truck as the jig to build this, and that's put on there already. That's put on before we even send it out. I just didn't do it on this one because I'm kind of excited to get this film, because I made a new, I didn't make it, I bought a new intro for the video, so I'm excited to put it on here. So let's get back to this. All right, so you get the main body, and then you get the fascia with the vents. Now, you don't have to have these here. They can be positioned however else. Stop and think about it how you want it. Take your time and design your dash, and I'll have the plasma cutter cut it out exactly the way you want it. There is a line scribed right there and a line scribed right here. So that's the glove box. That's what will be cut out. Now, you don't cut that out until after you get everything bolted on, but if you watch the videos, you'll see what I'm talking about. You get 3 vents. That's if you want those. And then here's the back for the glove box door, and then we got a left and a right for the body. Right here too. You get a hinge. Here's all the hardware. There's the push button for the glove box, and this is all of the hardware that you'll need to assemble this whole dash. The set of videos I made a complete inventory of everything I need to send a dash out. So I got all that taken care of now. We're all good to go and got everything in one kit right here. Here is the gauge surround. You'll cut that down like the video shows. There's the left. Nope. There's the right, and there's the left, and then that's the top of the gauge cluster. And this part has to be cut out. And then we got a glove box and left and a right. Wow, I got it right that time. Look at that. Isn't that something? These are all of the block-off panels, so that when you cut this out, this is what you'll fill in right here. It's kind of hard to do with holding the camera at the same time, but that's those. And then this piece here with the holes to drill, that's the part that goes up there in the videos. So this is everything that you'll need to build that dash over there. Now, if you want to do this, it's kind of complicated, and it's not easy. I'm not going to lie and tell you it's easy. You can do this like in a day or nothing. No. It takes time. So if you're interested in doing something like this, please just take your time, take an evening, and watch all 7 videos that are on YouTube about me building this, and see if that's something that you think you can do. Don't just order it and then, oh man, I can't do it. Well, make sure that you can do it first. I don't want to sell something to somebody that they can't use or can't do. There's the kit. You have to look on the website for ordering information. I'm getting ready to put some more stuff on there about it. I think 1 through 3 is $6.50 a piece, and 4 through 6 or 4 through 7 kits is $600. And then I think if you buy more than 6 or 7 kits, it's $5.50 a piece. Now, I sent one of these kits to California, and it was only $127 for shipping. From Florida. This is Florida. I'm in Florida. And then I sent a completely finished dash to California, and it was almost $700 for shipping. So in the long run, you're saving yourself a lot of money by building the kit yourself. That is, if you can do it. So 850-382-7125 is my cell phone number. You can pretty much get me anytime. And if you're interested in a kit, let me know. We'll fix you right up. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think about my new intro.